Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to share it your post on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, choose post. Okay, choose this post, then click share button, then send someone, then send, and another option, click on share button, tap on copy link, just copy link, then back, share Messenger and WhatsApp, Telegram, Snapchat, then all platform. Okay, tap on WhatsApp, then click on someone, then paste your Facebook post, just click link. Okay, then open. That's all. Share this post. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.